I want to talk to you a little bit about the market adjustment factors in the estimator. These are a way for you to modify the base values for the material dollars, the planned labor, and the unplanned labor. These factors affect every job in your account. So we strongly suggest that you don't come here to deal with one job or a couple of jobs that seem a little off to you. In those scenarios, you're going to want to use what we call an estimate modifier. And I'll show you those in another video. But at this point, if you're first starting out, it's suggested that you get 3 or 4 maintenance agreements out of your file cabinets, making sure that these are maintenance agreements that generate the kind of profit dollars that you want to generate on maintenance agreements. I suggest you get a big one with a lot of equipment and a little one with smaller types of equipment. In other words, a variety of equipment types as well as dollar value for the sale. Put those in, just like you were going to sell them again. Put those into this estimator, and then we'll compare the planned, unplanned, and material dollars. And if you see that you think the planned hours that this is handing you are a little high, you can come in here and change this from a 1 to a 0.95, and that will take 5% out of the planned hours on every job, every piece of equipment, everything that you put in here. If you think the materials are a little low, you can change that to a 1.05, and that's going to increase the material dollars on every piece of equipment and every job by 5%. Now that's every job. So if you have 100 jobs in here and you come over here and change this to 1.1, it's going to add 10% to the material dollars on every job in your account across the board. So use that carefully, and once you get it set, you kind of want to leave it alone unless something major changes within your organization, like you lose all your technicians and have to hire new guys fresh out of trade school. So they're probably going to be a little slower, need a little help, and you might want to increase your planned labor hours by a few percentage points.